there's
got
someone
no
coming.
fuel.
No fuel?
No.
Awesome, we drove it empty. Had so much fun.
Oh, definitely.
Woo! Hugging the curb.
I think I'm going to bring the Cayman S back, so then you can absolutely hoon it and quality test it.
Good morning, comrades. Welcome back to your channel. Welcome back, well, to the Nürburgring. In case you don't believe me, the sign says so. There must be the Nürburgring. And the title of this video says, driving the Porsche 992 GT3 for the very first time on the Nürburgring in snow. Well, okay, if you feel clickbaited and it's not the real Nürburgring, okay, we're here with Birstein Experience Days in Sweden on iced lake, and we have the 992 GT3 that I have never driven before on a smaller copy of the Nürburgring. So that's what we're gonna do. I think it's even more amazing to drive it on ice with studded tires, with spikes. Yes, okay, enough talking, let's do the driving, and Adrian can do some fancy b-rolls or something of drone shots, so I don't know, let's make something fancy. Roll the b-roll while I get into the camera, into the car. Okay, so first of all, gearbox and manual, ESC off, fully ESC and traction control fully off. Okay, and driving mode, we are in sport. Yeah, why it was EC switched on? Because we changed the driver mode. So we are now fully off, and we are good to go onto the Nürburgring. Of course, the pinnacle of this car is the engine, naturally aspirated 4-liter flat, 6-cylinder that revs up to 9,000 RPM when you want it to do. But here actually you need to keep the momentum and be smooth. Yesterday I went out in a GT3 already with Walter Royal, and he kept it like really around 5,000 RPM, not to do anything crazy. Because you need to keep control. That's why I also put it in Sport Plus mode. That's again also confirmation why quite often people ask me when I drive, for example, BMW, why you drive it in efficient mode? Because I want to have as much control over throttle as possible and not to, well, not to unsettle the car unnecessarily. Let's let the 992 ahead of us get away a bit, and then we can catch up. Typical Porsche GT3 problems that with another just base 992 is holding back. Oh, we have here the Dunlop corner. Which gear are we in? Second, that's good enough. Woohoo! That's so much fun! When you know how to do it right. Before this I drove a Yaris which had all-wheel drive, so I need to readjust my thinking to a rear-wheel driven car. It will take me a bit. It's a reality. We're doing actual real-life videos, so we're not trying to overcompensate for things and have the perfect cut, but show you how it is. Now, the thing is, of course, I'm slightly sad because the GT3 doesn't really come true to its right here, because you cannot use the high downforce that the car generates, not as much as an RS of course, but still, we're getting, why is it cutting power? That like DC was fully off, so it should be good. Now we have here the fatal chicane. I hate that corner, by the way, on the real Nürburgring, but yeah, now it's actually quite okay. Going to the straight, and then of course the Coca-Cola corner, missing the handbrake that we had on the Yaris, looking into the corner, and off we go. Long straight, we have here a brake sign, just like with the real Nürburgring, we have to slow down, and as well for the 992. I mean, I love how the car is working. The car is, by the way, fully stock. We're gonna let the G992 get away from us again a bit because we're gonna try to take the Dunlop corner nicely. I think it's Alex Choi, by the way, in the 992. What I love is that whenever a car performs good on ice, this means it's very well balanced, very well set up. And this car does perfectly great. There we go. Perfect. We are in first gear. GoPro problems. And now we're in second, approaching Dunlop corner. Let's try to do it now one more time. Looking where we want to go, chugging, letting it drift. Letting it slide a bit more. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Perfect. Very well set up car. Now, let's slow down even more so we can actually go a bit faster next time and not have the 992 in front of us. Gonna let the Spider maybe pass us. Go, go, go. Oh, that's Mat Armstrong. Over this weekend I had gazillion messages, people seeing me was in Sweden like, you need to find Matt, you need to do a collab with Matt. Actually, speaking of which, maybe we can put him in the GT3 and he can come with me and we can do some fun. You wanna hop in? Yeah. Cool, let me just set up. Alright, you have no idea how many people we're going to satisfy with this video.
Right, that's
like I had every day, like everything I post from Sweden. People just not even random, not even comment like, oh, Mat Armstrong is there, maybe you should do like a collab with him. They just comment Mat Armstrong. I'm like,
is that it?
So okay, Susan Boyle. Let me just randomly drop a name. Like, you know.
Yeah.
Big celeb. So everyone, since we're on my channel now and talking about the Nürburgring, when are you coming to the ring? You've been to the ring last year.
Yeah, I do need to go. We only went for like quick 2 days.
Yeah.
we are going to come back. I think I'm going to bring the Cayman S back, so then you can absolutely hoon it and quality test it.
Nice.
I think that's what it needs.
How long till you finish the Murcielago?
Well, I'm hoping by the summer, hopefully by the summer, but if I let you drive that, then I know I'll be rebuilding it afterwards.
I have to be honest, I drove a Murcielago before. It was of Mondi, another YouTuber, Instagrammer, chicken dealer, Houston Hot Chicken in US.
Oh yeah,
and it was one of the shittiest cars I drove.
Yeah, that's why they're so good, because they're just nothing. They're good for nothing.
Yeah, because
they just sound good.
As a tall person, you sit there like that, basically, and you're trying to, like, I don't know, try to not to kill yourself. It has a central, lower central point of gravity of, I don't know, of a tractor, like a real Lamborghini.
Yeah.
But no, it's good fun. So.
And the seats are like off-centered, like they face the wrong way, the pedals are the wrong way. Your feet touch each other when you're trying to touch the pedals. It's carnage.
It's like an old Countach. You also sit there like that.
Yeah. No, I don't think it would last a lap at the Nürburgring. I don't trust the rebuilding capability.
With all the Ford parts and Volvo parts. Oh, we're good, don't worry. I'm happy that 992 went off so we can have a bit clearer track.
Oh yeah, the GT3 is sick.
It's amazing. You had to go with it as well, right?
Yeah, this is the first time I've drove one. I bought one crash, but I've not drove it yet.
Yeah, of Adam LZ.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
No, it's wicked.
You know, it's so amazing that actually, like, I've been doing like this whole YouTube thing for, well, I don't know, like 5-7 years.
Yeah, you've been doing it a long time.
And met so many people along the way, and now all the dots start to connect.
Yeah.
So Adam and Miss Emilia were at the Nürburgring and at Spa in 2019. So I met them, hang out, had a good time.
Yeah.
Now you have Adam's car. Alex Choi is a very good friend of Emilia. Yeah. It's like, you know, it's like all connected.
And everyone's so nice as well. Like, I haven't met a bad person yet.
So. It is. This trip has been absolutely amazing.
Oh, this is the next level.
I really love it because sometimes, let's be honest, sometimes us YouTubers, content creators get a big ego. And when you get on these events, you have sometimes people sitting in the corner and like, oh yeah, let me do something for the gram. Yeah, no, this post is not gonna get 1 million likes, so I don't want to do it. But everyone here has been like so relaxed and chill. We had great evenings together. Yeah. Hopefully we can do the same at the ring.
Oh, definitely.
Woo! Hugging the curb.
This has got so much. I've been in the Boxster all this morning, and this has got so much more grip compared to the Boxster.
Yeah, but Boxster is a completely different animal because but turbocharged engine that you need to keep the revs
we have to
high.
keep the revs so high,
And it's also mid-engine, so it's a completely different story. But this is really, you dance so nicely with it.
On your next lap, please.
I don't know, they're probably talking to us. We'll do that then. One more last lap because we cannot get enough of GT3.
Yeah.
So hopefully we can do one on the ring. Yeah, with Adam's car.
That would be sick.
Awesome.
That would be wicked.
And I think Adam is going to be in love with it as well because you know the story of his Nürburgring trip.
Yeah,
Did he ever tell you that he shipped the car and that the car got stuck at the customs.
Oh,
so
did it?
He did the Nürburgring trip. Good job, Becky.
Is that Becky?
Queen Bee, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah.
Make James Dean, the RTR driver, proud.
Oh my god.
Yeah, so we could actually definitely try to get Adam over to the ring so he can drive his car.
That would be wicked. That would be so good. I don't know if he'd actually want to drive it again. I think he's had like a bad experience with it, and now it's just like scarred for life. There's a lot of stuck people now. Everyone's losing their talent.
I mean, it's been amazing the amount of driving time that we had.
Oh, it's so good.
Yesterday, after the first lunch break, we were like, "Oh, is it lunch break? I thought it was over." I don't have any concentration. I'm like, "Okay, who is this? Who we have here?"
Who's Pete?
Ah, it's the Beerstein people. Amazing.
The Yaris is still stuck.
Everyone is stuck. But yeah, it's been good.
So good.
Matt, thank you so much for joining me on this lap.
Thank you.
I hope you had fun.
Taking me out.
I hope we can do the similar thing. Well, not as much sideways on the rim.
Yeah.
There we go.
It'd be so good to bring a car to you then, so you can thrash it around the rim. The GT3 will be awesome.
I think with the Cayman that you're gonna bring, that's going to be really, really good.
I'll enjoy that.
My rope.
Alright, let's give this baby to someone else to drive. Maybe you.
I'll have a go in it. Yeah, I haven't had a go in it today.
Yeah.
We've got no fuel.
No fuel?
No.
Awesome, we drove it empty. Had so much fun.
Oh, where's the, how do you control it? Oh yeah, we've literally got no fuel.
Awesome.
We've literally rinsed the fuel.
Yeah. That's a super clickbait title here. We drove with Mat Armstrong GT3, oh nice, ran out of fuel.
Broke down.
Yeah, so you can buy it.
Emotional.